Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. This is going to be a little short video on how to get this effect look like there's some light shining on this ring. It's kind of like a bevel. So all we have to do is draw an ellipse, Control D and make a duplicate, and then move it out, Control D again, and it moved it out the same amount. Now, because they're we didn't contour them, we don't have to separate them. So now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill them in with a black, both rings. You know what? I'm going to make it a little bit, I want to make them a little bit bigger. I'm going to get rid of that center one. Let me just start over. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make this one a little smaller. Then Control D, holding down the control of the shift button so it'll grow, and then Control D again. So this way they're a little bit thicker. Smart Fill tool, go ahead and fill them both in. Then with nothing selected, hit your F11 key, and that's going to bring up a edit fill docker. And this is pretty cool. Pick your fountain fill, pick conical, but then you can move this conical up to that corner. And then say okay. Well, I actually had to pick one first. F11. Let's move that out of the way. Fountain fill, conical, move it to the bottom, to the top. Look at that. And you can play around with the angle of the sun or the light or whatever you want to do, make it come around a little more. You can add different colors, but let's just say okay. And then let's take the inside ring, hit F11. And then next time, let's go conical, but put it toward the bottom. Let's move this out of the way so you can actually see it happening. That's pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure we could make the shape quite brighter and more pronounced. And then just hit okay. You know, if that doesn't look like it's coming through, and as always, you can go and then right click your mouse with no outline. Kind of give it a different look. Pretty cool effect. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.